constitutional case for impeachment. The U.S. Constitution sets the bar for impeachment at treason, bribery, or other high crimes and misdemeanors. That last phrase, intentionally broad, has historically been interpreted to include serious abuses of power or violations of public trust, even if they're not technically criminal. A strong case for impeachment of any official, including a president, should include clear evidence of one or more of the following. 1. Abuse of power. This is the most common and compelling impeachment charge. It refers to using public office for personal gain or to damage opponents. Example basis: attempting to overturn election results through improper influence on state officials or Congress. Using government resources or authority, e.g. the DOJ, to target political opponents. These are not mere policy disagreements. They challenge the integrity of the democratic process. 2. Obstruction of justice. Interfering with investigations, especially into one's own conduct, can be grounds for impeachment. While obstruction can be criminal, even non-criminal interference with the justice system may qualify. Example basis: encouraging witnesses not to testify. Attempting to impede or shut down investigations into official wrongdoing. 3. Corruption or bribery. Direct personal benefit from public office, whether through foreign deals, shady business interests, or misuse of campaign funds, can meet the constitutional standard. Example basis: accepting or soliciting gifts, money, or favors from foreign governments or domestic actors in exchange for influence or policy changes. 4. Incitement to violence or insurrection. Encouraging or failing to stop violent or illegal actions by supporters, especially when in a position to do so, is extremely serious. Example basis: using inflammatory language to incite a mob to disrupt lawful government proceedings. Standing by passively as violence unfolds when intervention was possible. 5. Undermining the rule of law. When a president systematically undermines institutions designed to ensure justice, oversight, or the peaceful transfer of power, the cumulative effect can justify impeachment. Why this matters. Impeachment is not about politics, it's about accountability. It exists to prevent future harm, preserve democratic norms, and reinforce that no one, not even a president, is above the law. This case isn't dependent on party or personality. It's about behavior, precedent, and constitutional duty. Whether you support or oppose impeachment in any given instance should come down to facts and fidelity to the rule of law, not tribal loyalty. Sarah Walker here. Sadly, we can't just pass judgment and be done with it. To impeach an official in the United States, a simple majority vote in the House of Representatives is required to approve articles of impeachment. However, conviction and removal from office by the Senate requires a 2/3 vote of the senators present. That is where politics come back into play.
We hope that we touched a nerve. Our goal is simple: give you something to think about. It is too easy to just sit and watch when real issues and being manipulated for personal or political gain. Subscribe so you don't miss future podcasts. And above all, keep seeking the truth. Thanks again for being here.